What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Monday. And what we're going to do is jump into the Bitcoin price. But before we do, make sure you hit that like. Make sure you share. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you're following me on Twitter. Head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin. And then stack your Bitcoin and chill. So let's go ahead and jump into the Bitcoin price. Jump to the 1 hour. All right, so we pumped. Looks like we hit a double top, which is this right here, 1, 2, and then we came down. I had that alert at 27.5, if I'm not mistaken, and we went just above that, and rejected at 27.663. Now we're down to 27.2. Now, wouldn't it surprise me if we came back down to 26.8? We put an alert there. Actually, okay, so 26.9, between 26.9 and 26.8. All right, and I still have an alert set down here as well. 26.7. Let's see. I'll put another alert at the high. Let's look at market cipher. Money flow turned green. However, momentum is shifting down. VWAP pointing up. RSI, stochastic RSI pointing down. Let's just look at the 4 hour. Red dot on the 4 hour, selling. We got VWAP pointing down. We got money flow still in the red. Had this bullish divergence here, which I called out, and we did pump. I'm looking for a horizontal line, but it's fine. I'll just look at the date. 4 o'clock today. No. 4 o'clock last Monday. Friday. Friday, Monday, so you had that pump. We went from 25.8 up to 27.6. Came down. We're showing green on the chart for this 4 hours here. But we do have a red dot showing some sells, and we have that on not only on this bar or this candle the last 4 hours, but we also have that in market cipher. So let's jump to the daily chart, see what that's looking like. Okay, we got a ton of alerts set here. You know, that $25,000 spot Oh, it's down here by this moving average. So again, it wouldn't surprise me if we bounced off here. And then head higher. But as far as this new day goes, we're red. We had 3 green days in a row. Finally got a red day. And let's look at market cipher. We have a green dot. Momentum pointing up. VWAP pointing up. RSI, stochastic RSI. Looks like it's starting to point up. All right, that's the Bitcoin price update. Right now, we're just chopping around. 4 hour looks good though. Or no, the 4 hour does not look good. The daily looks good. 4 hour looks a little bearish, but this could turn up. Hourly, go back here. Starting to point down. But VWAP is pointing up and we got a green candle for this hour. So maybe a head fake. Maybe a little fake out here for the bears. If not, we'll come back down here. Maybe we can get back up to 27.4. Consolidate before making the next leg higher. So that's my short-term outlook. 30-minute chart bounced right off this moving average. If we lose this moving average, then we're coming down. I'll put another alert there. And I'll put one more alert once we get above this level here, 27,370. So I got a few alerts. I'll make sure to send those out. That's pretty much the Bitcoin update. Let's actually take a look at the weekly and the monthly as well, if I can get a monthly chart on here. All right, so the weekly looking like it's green, but we see we have that red diamond right here starting to come down. Starting to find support in this area. Let's look at market cipher. Market cipher is pointing down on the weekly, but VWAP is looking like it's trying to, well, still pointing down. Looks like it's starting to turn up, maybe, possibly. We have RSI, stochastic RSI, coming down. And then let me see if I can find a monthly chart. There it is, 1 month. Well, would you look at that? January, February, March, April. January. I'm assuming this is January. Yep, January, February, March, April, May. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 months of green. Got a red month starting out for May. We got that nice curvature. I'm looking at the price history here and see what this is looking like. Last time we were down, He needs to close. Get out of here. Last time we had a green dot was April 1st, 2019, and we went from 10,000 to 60,000. Before coming down, 64,000. That's the last time we had a green dot on the daily, on the monthly, from a momentum wave being below zero. So last time that happened and money flow was coming up, we went all the way up. So, right now we see another green dot here on the monthly. So this looks bullish to me long term. RSI, stochastic RSI, looks like it's pointing down. And VWAP looks like it's also pointing down, but momentum is shifting up. So hopefully we can get this month done with, right? Because, this is probably going to be the red month. And then, next month is June. That's when they're supposed to be launching Fed Now. And, I think there's going to be some more banks that fail in the next 2 weeks, next 4 months, next 2 to 4 weeks. And in the upcoming months, yes, I do think in the next 3-4 months, there will be more banks failing just due to what's going on with the interest rates and bonds and the debt ceiling and all this extra theatrics that we all have to, deal with. So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Thanks for tuning in. It's getting dark outside. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have a good day. That's better. Hope you guys have a good day. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Out on my walk. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stack away. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Chris9407. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.